Michelle and Carter playing cups, musical cups. Each one has a different amount of water in it. Carter is using the spoon to sip the water and stir the water and play the cups as well. It's a really fun game. Yeah. Carter, what is that? Cup? Is that a cup? Cup with water? You gonna have a sip? Good. Good sipping.
Sounds like a cacophony. Grandfather would be very upset. For me? Thank you.
He backwashes a lot.
Thanks for telling me that while it was in my mouth. Like a little hint of cottage cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think this game might require a towel.